Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this glass bubble vase, vase filler, and candle holder all from Dollar Tree. I paint the candle holder with plaster color chalk paint, that's by Waverly, giving it full coverage. Once that's dry, I add a layer of Mod Podge on top of the paint. That'll help prevent it from chipping and cracking. Next, I'm taking this 4-inch wooden plaque and little dowel cap. Both of those were from Hobby Lobby. On the bottom side of the plaque, I hot glue the dowel cap to it and then paint that entirely with the plaster chalk paint as well. Next, I'm taking the bubble vase and I'm filling it with the vase filler. I ended up using 2 full bags and a little bit from the third one. And this bubble vase is the larger size of the 2 that they carry. On the bottom side of the candle holder, because it's more flat, I'm adding Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue to that and placing down the vase. And then on top of the vase, I place in that wooden plaque. I'm also using this XOXO little plaque that I got from Dollar Tree and painting that with Imperial Red acrylic paint, and that is by Folk Art. I add some twine around where the 2 meet, the vase and the candle holder, just knotting that. Next, I'm taking this 2.5-inch burlap ribbon. I believe I got it from Walmart, but it could have been Dollar Tree. I cut about a 7 or 8-inch piece, and I'm taking some needle nose pliers and pulling out the longer strings. So those will be all gone, except the edges that are thicker. Those will be staying to attach the shorter strings that are across. And to make sure those don't fall out, I'm adding some Mod Podge to where those strings are meeting the edge of the ribbon. I do that on both sides. And then after that is done, what I'm doing is taking it and folding it in half so both of those ends are together and just wrapping it around onto itself and hot gluing that closed at the end. And then take those strings and spread them apart to create the little flower. I trim up the twine around the vase and hot glue the flower onto that. And then add a little bit of hot glue to the XO and place that kind of at an angle on the flower. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.